Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic in the measurement of central tendency, that is mode. Mode is another important measure of central tendency of statistical series. It is the value which occur most frequency in the series, that is model value has the highest frequency in the series. Means mode is that measure of central tendency which occur maximum numbers of times in a distribution around which the observation are densely distributed. In other words, we can say that value which are occur most frequently in a series, it is called mode, and mode is the most common value found in a series. There are two ways of calculating mode in an indivisible series. First by inflection method, second by converting indivisible series into a discrete frequency series. First by inflection method, this method is involved just an inflection of the series. One is to be simply identify the value that occur mostly frequently in the series. Such value is called mode. The step that involved the data will be arranged in ascending or descending order. Second, the value which occur mostly will be the mode in the series. Let's take the example from the marks of 12 students. Calculate the value of mode. The marks are given 15, 12, 18, 20, 13, 15, 18, 19, 18, 20, 21, 22. Now the series has been arranged in ascending order: 12, 13, 15, 15, 18, 18, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22. The mode is 18 because the because 18 value which occur most will be a mode. And second, by converting indivisible series into a discrete series. When number of items in a series is very large, the impactful items find out what the mode become very difficult, if not impossible. In such case, indivisible series are first converted into a discrete frequency series of frequency array. The mode in the then identify at the value corresponding to which there is a highest frequency. Let's take one example. The table below present a death rate of population across different countries. Find out the mode. The death rate 11.1, 10.9, 10.7.11.1, 10.6, 11.3, 10.6, 10.7, 10.6, 10.9, 10.6, 10.5, 10.4, 10.6. First, we convert the series into a discrete frequency distribution in a ascending order as under: death rate 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10.9, 10, 11.1 and 11.3. The 10.4 is occur is one time in the series. 10.5 is occur 1 time. 10.6 is occur 5 time. 10.7 occur 2 time. 10.9 occur 2 time. 11.1 occur 2 times, and 11.3 occur 1 time. So 10.6 is the value which is the highest frequency of 5. Hence the mode is 10.6. Next, in calculation of mode in a discrete or frequency array, there are two methods of calculating the mode in discrete frequency series. First, inflection method. Second, grouping method. As inflection method, in the case of indivisible series, inflection method is sometimes which is used for calculation of mode in discrete frequency series as well. As the inflection of the series would be how the mode of the value that has been the highest frequency in the series, provide the series at regular and homogeneous. Here the one example: find out the mode of the following series: 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. That is the income and number of person: 2, 4, 8, 10, 5, 4. The hence at the series level, the 140 command the highest frequency, that is 10 in the series. Hence 140 is the mode of the series. Thank you.